Fujian Yosi Zhiqing Housewares Company Limited was founded in 2015. We are several years' experiences of making bamboo and wood products. We have affiliated factory covers an area of 8,100 square meters with 75 experienced workers. We are specialized in designing, manufacturing, distributing bamboo and wood household products. For example, bamboo and wood cutting board, drawer organizer, spice rack, kitchen organizers, bathtub caddy, bath mat, bamboo storage shelf, office desk organizers, shoes rack. All products are manufactured from superior materials using advanced equipment and modern technology. A long operating life and incomparable quality are characteristic of every product. The production process starts with raw material, continues through our production section. Incising, machining, and surfacing then go on to assembly. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. And we are especially good at assembly. After stringent quality control, the products are ready for shipping to customers worldwide. We are cooperating with many well-known foreign enterprises. Just like Amazon, we also have many customers online. Our products are sold all around the world, such as Korea, Australia, USA, and Europe. We all staff together hope to make great efforts for your satisfaction. From the whole world to deal with their problems. We all staff together hope to make great efforts for your satisfaction. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.